How to fix mouse lagging and stuttering in Windows 11. First, right-click on Start and click on Setting. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Mouse. Turn off Scroll Inactive windows when hovering over them. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click on Desktop and click on Display Setting. Click on Advanced Display. Make sure your monitor's refresh rate matches the actual refresh rate the monitor is supposed to run at. If that didn't work, open Run and type main.cpl. Open Pointer Option tab. Make sure Display Pointer Trails is unchecked. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.